Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome back to another session of Alcohol Ink Art. So today we are going to use our alcohol inks and make different shades from it. And we are going to create this amazing abstract piece of art. So here is what you will need. Take a palette and add colors in it. I will be using blue and green to create teal color, so I'm going to add a few drops of blue and a few drops of green. You can increase or decrease the amount of one color according to how you want the shade to look. I want it to be a greenish teal, so I'm going to add more of green and I'm going to mix it with a brush till I get the perfect shade. Now carefully drop it on the center of the paper. To make the flower art, add some blending solution on the circumference of the drop and using a straw, blow in circular motion to create the effect of the petal. The outer petals will be big and light in shade, so use more blending solution and go in the clockwise direction to create the other petals. You can create layers by varying the size of petals and the shade. Size can be reduced by using shorter blows. And shades can be darkened by using less blending solution. You can even add more color if you want and repeat the process. Once you are happy with how your art looks, add some dots to give the pollen grains effect. So this is how it looks. Now to some, this might look something different than a flower. Maybe the god's eye that is looking at you. And actually that is the beauty of abstract art, because you see what you want to see. Now I want to give it a cool look, so I'm going to create a frame for this. We will do this by wiping off the extra inks using nail polish remover and some cotton. Make clean strokes with the cotton to give the straight line effect. Now this is perfectly abstract. I hope you guys liked this session as much as I did, and I hope you will leave your thoughts in the comment section. You will give it a big like, you will hit the subscribe button, and you will share this video with your friends as well, because I am going to see you guys in the next session where we are going to make beautiful backgrounds for the gift cards. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby. Bye bye.